Did you know that millions of iPhone users are targeted by hackers every single year? It's a shocking number, and it proves that even with Apple's great security, we can't afford to be complacent. Your iPhone holds your entire life, your photos, messages, and financial information. That's why today I am going to walk you through 5 essential security settings you need to update right now to protect your digital life. Cyber threats are getting smarter every day. From phishing scams trying to steal your Apple ID password to malicious apps designed to spy on you, the dangers are real. Many people think their iPhone is automatically immune to all threats, but that's a dangerous assumption. Taking a few minutes to proactively secure your device can save you from a world of trouble down the road. Alright, let's dive into the settings. First, go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down and turn on Erase Data. This will wipe your iPhone after 10 failed passcode attempts, protecting your data if it's lost or stolen. Second, let's lock down your Apple ID. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. Make sure two-factor authentication is on. This adds a crucial extra layer of security, requiring a code from a trusted device before anyone can access your account. Third, manage your app permissions. Under Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Tracking. Turn off Allow apps to request to track. This stops apps from following your activity across other companies' apps and websites. Fourth, enable lockdown mode. This is for extreme cases, but it's powerful. You can find it under Privacy and Security. It severely restricts apps and features, offering maximum protection if you think you're being targeted by a sophisticated syndicator. And the fifth and most crucial one, automatic updates. In Settings, go to General, then Software Update, and turn on Automatic Updates. Here's a scary fact. A recent report found that a huge percentage of security breaches happened because users failed to install the latest security patch. These updates are your first line of defense against new threats. So, to recap, enable Erase Data, turn on two-factor authentication, block app tracking, know about lockdown mode, and most importantly, keep your software updated automatically. These 5 simple steps can dramatically boost your iPhone's security and give you peace of mind. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite security tips? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips to keep you safe and savvy. Thanks for watching.